This conference will now be recorded.
Okay, so we are learning about fixed asset module. We are learning about fixed asset module. So let me open this file. Let me go to our company. It is Accenture Private Limited, something one company we have created. Let me go to modules, fixed asset module, collapse all, setup. The first one is depreciation profiles. We have created two depreciation profiles. The first step we have created. Next, once it is depreciation profile is created, next you need to create fixed asset groups. Okay, and while creating groups, we have option to select sequence number like this. If you want, you can select, otherwise you can skip. But usually best practice, we will map it number sequence. That is second setup. We did it. Fixed asset group. Once it is defined fixed asset group, you need to map books. You need to define books. One is current layer, one is tax layer. So current layer is for Companies Act. As per the Companies Act, I need to maintain books of records. So Companies Act. This will be used. It is must and should in India and majority countries. Straight line. Whereas tax layer, we can map. This tax layer is mapped with for Income Tax Act. Income Tax Act purpose, we need to map it. Actually, as per the government option, straight line or reducing balance can be mapped. Either one can be used. But majority clients, majority companies will use reducing balance. Understood? Any confusion here? Okay, where it is this Companies Act and current layer and tax layer means, see, companies, computers, one is current layer, income tax, tax layer. Okay, one is current layer, one is tax layer. Companies Act and income tax. Next one is, we need to map fixed asset group with the books. We need to connect each other. What is this means? In the fixed asset groups, computer group, suppose the fixed asset group computers, you need to go to books and you need to attach, one is current layer, one is tax layer. One is current layer, one is tax layer. We need to map this. Understood? As per the current layer, it is what is the service life? 5 years, 60 months. As per the tax layer, it is 50% reducing balance. Till now, till this transaction, we have learned last Friday. Next, we need to map fixed asset posting profile. Fixed asset posting profiles you need to define. Next step is fixed asset posting profiles. Add. And you need to map the ledger accounts for computers. I need to map and this is cash account 110180 and the tax layer also. Sorry, it is tax layer. Refresh. Okay, fine. So fixed asset posting profiles we have. Okay, and one more thing in the books, depreciation books. Here, whenever you are mapping current layer, whenever you are posting current layer, map the tax layer also. In the current layer, whatever it was mapped, map in the tax layer. That's what we have mapped. That's what we have. Okay, fine. For the tax layer, it is required. So what is the benefit of this one? I will explain you. One is in the books, remember, tax layer postings will be connected to current layer. Okay, so tax layer postings will be connected to the current layer. Tax layer postings will be connected to the current layer. Okay, what is the benefit of this one? Tax layer connections mapped to the current layer. I will discuss within few minutes. You are going to learn this one. Okay. So now posting profiles defined. Then these posting profiles we need to connect in the parameters. In the parameters, fixed asset. One second here. Accounting rules. You need to map fixed asset posting profiles. You need to map. Select the above fixed asset posting profiles. Fixed asset posting profiles. Okay, you have to map. This is once it is all the prerequisites is created, then we need to create fixed asset master. Fixed asset master you need to create. Once it is defined, you need to create fixed asset master. Select the computers, then automatically computer number is coming. Okay, so suppose Lenovo laptop. I'm creating on laptop Lenovo. Now, if you verify the books, this is new laptop created, but it is not yet acquired. This is not yet acquired. Not yet acquired means not purchased. It was created fixed asset only. And if you verify the transactions, it is blank. Nothing here. For current layer, nothing. For tax layer, nothing. Current layer, nothing. Tax layer, nothing. Okay, so fixed asset is created. The status is not yet acquired. Now, not yet acquired means not purchased. Now we need to purchase the fixed asset. We need to purchase the fixed asset. So if I want to purchase a fixed asset, I can use fixed asset journal. So fixed asset module, collapse all, journal entries, fixed asset journal. So click on new, select the journal name, it is blank. Select the journal name, it is blank. Okay, so if the journal name is not there, where I have to create? Now guide me. We need to create one journal name. So I need to create fixed asset journal. Now guide me where I have to go and what I have to do.
General ledger.
General ledger.
General ledger.
Journal
Journal
setup.
types.
Journal setup. Journal names.
Yes. So we need to create one journal name for fixed asset acquisition journal. So the type is post fixed assets. The type is post fixed assets. Right click, view details, click new.
Sir, this journal types is not a shared data.
It is, if you want shared data, you can map it, but usually we don't map like that. For fixed assets, masters is not an enterprise level data, am I right? Okay, I will come to that point. This is, you are asking me about, is it possible to make shared data, am I right?
Yes, sir.
Okay, where it will be used, I will explain you after some time. Just give me a minute. Let me finish this one. So for fixed assets, it is company level data only. For like if you go to this shared will be used for, if it is product information management, collapse all, setup, product information management, number sequence. For products, view details. Here this is shared data. Means product and product master is shared data. That is the reason we are mapping like this. Based on the master you need to define. It is not your decision. So here in this, actually, this is T&L logic. Actually, production in APL, whether I have created any item, only one item, 3 items, am I right? But there are so many. Product and product master is enterprise level data. Product and product master is enterprise level data. The data is enterprise level data. If it is enterprise level data, you will map that number sequence enterprise level. That is shared. Got it? Based on the master data, you need to define how you want. Clear? So whoever is asked, I don't know his name because I'm not able to see. Is it clear to you?
Sir, I think we can take it later.
Yeah, okay, fine. So it is, if it is like product and product master, it is there, the numbers. Okay, fine, leave it. Now let me go back. Let me go back. Looks around. Fine. So journal name we have created. Journal name. So in general ledger, so journal name we have created. Journal type, it is most important is journal type is post fixed assets. Okay. Journal name for acquisition, fixed asset acquisition we have created. So once it is created, the fixed asset journal name is readily available. Then now it is, if you select, the journal name is coming. Go to lines. Now you can select the fixed asset. So you can purchase this one at the rate of whatever it is. Suppose I'm purchasing maybe $12,000. Suppose for example, I'm making $12,000. It is big amount, but no problem. Offset account, it is coming cash account. If I'm doing cash, I can select cash. Anyhow, in the posting profiles, you have mapped cash, that is coming automatically. If you want to change, you can change, whether it is a bank or it is from the vendor, whatever it is there, you can select. Now, if you go to the books, automatically tax layer also coming then. Tax layer also it is coming then. Understood? Now let me post. Before posting, let me verify one small information. The calendar is mapped or not in the books. I'm just verifying. Calendar also I need to verify the books. In the books, I have mapped calendar. It is most important. Fiscal calendar, because in the profile we have mapped fiscal period. So that is the reason I'm verifying. Fine, everything is fine. Now I'm posting this journal. I'm posting this journal. Okay. As per the accounting currency, it is 12,000 US dollars. For the reporting currency, it is like euros. It is converted into euros, 8,760. Now I'm posting. It is posting along with the current layer. It is posting to the current layer also. Now let me post. It was posted. Now if you verify the voucher, how many lines it will show you? Normally one debit, one credit. Am I right? If you verify the voucher, it will show you 2 debits and 2 credits, or 3 debits and 3 credits, or 1 debit and 1 credit. Normally
1 debit, 1 credit.
yeah, 1 debit and 1 credit. Am I right? Now it will show you 2 debits and 2 credits. Same amount. Duplicate.
I think 1 for tax layer, 1 for current layer.
Correct. Exactly right. You are perfect. You are correct. One is current layer, one is for tax layer. So the next step, fixed asset journal. So it is fixed asset module. Fixed asset module, journal entries. Fixed asset journal. Understood? You have acquired fixed asset. We have acquired fixed asset with this one. Okay, unfortunately I have posted this one on today date, but if it is mapped on 1st January, it will be crystal clear for calculation of the depreciation, but no problem, we'll continue. Okay, now if you go to the fixed asset master, fixed assets, fixed assets, fixed asset. Now if you verify the books and the transactions, it is showing $12,000 US dollars, 8,760 GBP. This is in current layer, and it is the status is open now. Next one is tax layer, transactions. Tax layer, it is 12,860. Now, if you verify, you can click on profiles. Okay, so 12,000, it is 258.06. This is for 16 days. Remaining 500. How it is calculating? Each month 500 it is coming. Each month 500 coming. How it is coming 500? 12,000 is the fixed asset value. 5 years life. Then 12,000 divided by 5. How much it is? How
600.
much?
2,400.
2,400. This is per year. Now 2,400 divided by 12. 1 second. 12 months. Then how much? 1 second.
200 per month.
How much?
So we need to take 60, I think. 12,000 divided by 60.
5 years, 1 minute, 12,000 only, right? Give me a minute. $12,000 amount. The books. Setup books. Not books, fixed asset books. We have mapped 5 years, 60 periods. Fine. 5 years means 12,000 divided by 12,000 only we have acquired. Then this 2,400 divided by 12. Why it is mess up? Okay, we are seeing wrong values. I'm sorry. This one I need to see. This one I need to see. This is a small mistake I did it. Okay. Profile, it is 2,200. Yes, that is my mistake by looking into by selecting wrong. 200 is correct. 200 is correct. See, it is I have selected by mistakenly the second line, and I'm looking at the first calculation. That is my mistake. I'm sorry. So the first one, 5 years life. So 5 years life means 12,000 divided by 5, it is 2,400. 2,400 divided by 12 months means 200. Am I right? So every month it is 1,200. So if you look at this one, open layer, like current layer, this is current layer. And if you verify the profile, it will show you every month 200 depreciation. But first month it is calculating 103.23. How it is calculating means 200 divided by 31 multiply with 16. 103.23. Understood?
Can you repeat that calculation one more time, sir?
So 200 per month. Is it clear? 200 per month, or any doubt?
Yes, that's clear.
So 200 divided by May month. How many days? May month.
30,
How many days
31.
total?
31.
So per day it is 6.4156. And how many days it is available means we have acquired this one on 16th. So means from 16th to 31st it is 16 days. First 15 days you need to remove 16 days. So multiply with 16.
Okay,
Multiply
got it.
16. It is 103.2258 means 3. Okay. Fine.
Okay, sir.
So this is every month it is 200, 200, 200 forever. Whatever the periods you have, you have created in the financial period, it will show you that one. Now for the tax layer, for this layer, it is also posted like same $12,000, $12,000, but whereas this $12,000, this is straight line. Okay, if it is a reducing balance, then it is 50%, am I right? So 12,000, 50% means
6,000.
how much amount?
6,000. 6,000.
6,000 this year. So 6,000 per year means per month how much?
500.
500.
Am I right? So that's what here it is shown. Clear? This also how it is calculating. 500 means same logic. Like 500 divided by 30 multiply with 60. It is 266 point.
You have considered 30 days, sir, instead 31.
30 days instead of 31.
No, it is 31 days on.
Yeah. Now, while calculation, in the calculator, you divide it by 30, sir, instead of
Yeah,
31.
I will tell you divided by 31 is okay, multiply with 16. Okay, by mistake I have calculated 30 now. Okay, understood.
Yeah.
By entered by mistake 30 instead of 31. Yeah, that's fine. Clear now?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so this is acquisition, we understood, and these values we are looking at profile, and if you want to verify the balances, you can see the balances also like this. Acquired this one and depreciations. Okay, balance, you can select here also, you can see the balance like this. Now if it is after 3 months, every month I need to do depreciation calculation. So I need to calculate depreciation of the fixed asset. Am I right? That is the major agenda or major purpose. We need to create depreciation calculations. So depreciations, this is fixed asset, journal name created and verified. Okay. Next one is we need to create two more journal names. Let me create like one more fixed asset, journal name for current layer depreciation and tax layer depreciation. Am I right? Current layer depreciation and tax layer depreciation. We need to map it. Current layer depreciation and tax layer depreciation we need to define. So one journal name should be created for fixed asset depreciation for current layer, another one is tax layer. Same, you can go to general ledger module, collapse all, and journal setup, journal names. I need to create fixed asset depreciation current layer. Fixed asset depreciation current layer. Same post fixed assets. Don't look at this one, fixed asset transaction or fixed asset budget. This is for Russian localization. Select post fixed assets. Post fixed assets. Right click, view details. Not here. 1 second. Right click, view details. Current layer. Here, while mapping current layer, the layer is posting layer is current layer. We are not touching, but tax layer now. Tax layer. Then it is post fixed assets. And map the current layer, tax layer, fixed asset depreciation tax layer. Now you need to change layer from current to tax. Understood? The journal type is same. The journal type is same, but one is current layer, one is tax. So here the journal type post fixed assets only for current layer and for tax layer. But layer is most important. Understood? Current layer and tax. Now you can do the journal name. Click new. We have created journal name for depreciation for current layer. You can go to lines. You can go to lines. I'm clicking on proposal, depreciation proposal. If I'm clicking on depreciation proposal, I'm getting error message. Look at this one. Can anyone read this error message?
The reporting currency amounts must be updated on the fixed asset book transactions before running in depreciation. Update the reporting currency amounts through the wizard found under fixed assets. Set up add reporting currency amounts to fixed assets books.
So fixed assets setup, add reporting currency amounts to fixed assets book. This path try to remember. Fixed assets setup, add reporting currency amounts to fixed asset books. Fixed asset module, collapse all,
Setup
add
and reporting currency.
You need to execute this one. You need to execute this one. Before executing, you need to make sure these jobs are running or not. In services.msc, batch job. This batch job is running or not, you need to remember. Unified operations batch management service. This batch job is running or not, you need to make sure it should be running. It should be running. So you need to select the exchange rate type. Next. What is this actually? Why I need to run? What is this? So if you remember long back, I have explained about dual currency. The logic is changed from transaction currency to accounting and transaction and accounting to reporting. This logic is old and the new logic is introduced. Am I right? This is I have explained long back. Remember?
Yes,
Whenever I have explained about foreign currency evaluation. Because of this logic change, do you remember or not? Are you able to recollect now? Okay. So because of this logic change, we need to execute this one. Next. Anyhow, there is no transactions we have not posted. There is no impact. If it is any transactions are there, it will be impacted. Next. So click on yes and click on finish. So batch job is added. It is running. It will clear in 2-3 minutes. It will maybe 1 minute or 2 minutes. It will be resolved. I mean to say it will be processed. Once it is processed, then it will allow you to select this error message will not come into the picture. Okay, it is coming. It is coming now. Means the process, whatever you have executed just now, when we are trying to do once again, it will not allow you. Already one time we have executed. That's it. Only one time you need to execute. This is a small job you need to execute. Once it is executed, second time it will not. Now you can click on proposals, depreciation proposal, and select the date. Suppose I want to do the calculations up to July 31st. And current layer, it is current layer. And click OK. So 103.23 for the month of May, and for the month of June and July 202. Understood? Any questions here? Now I am posting. I am getting error message. Can anyone read the error message?
Labels for journal batch number APL 000014. Voucher APL FADC 000001 account for transaction type depreciation. Book comp does not exist for fixed asset. COMP
Yeah. So
00.
account for transaction type depreciation book computer does not exist. What do you mean? We have mapped depreciation fixed asset posting profiles. For only acquisition. We have not mapped depreciation. For depreciation also we need to map. That's what this is error. And offset account also not populated. The reason behind you need to map here. You need to map depreciation postings. Computer, it is depreciation this year, depreciation expenses, this one 607,200, and then it is accumulated depreciation. Sorry, this one is you need to map here. This you need to map here, and here you need to map 180 accumulated depreciation is here. 1 second. Accumulated depreciation for the fixed asset. This is asset value decreasing, and this is expenses. This is asset value I need to decrease. Am I right? This is asset value decreasing. This is expenses. Same we need to map tax layer also. Depreciation, accumulated depreciation, and expenses. You need to map it. Once it is mapped, then you need to execute this one. Let me delete all these things. Now execute once again proposals, depreciation proposal. Click OK. Now offset account also filled here, expense item, expense account. Now we can post. Now we verify the voucher, it is only current layer will be posted. Depreciation current layer for 1 month. This is for May. This is for May. This is for June. And this is for July. So now if you verify the fixed asset and verify the books, okay, no problem. It's coming, give me a minute. Fixed asset, books, the transactions, acquisition, and depreciations for the fixed assets. And in the current layer, this is current layer. Tax layer, whether we have posted any depreciation? No, am I right? It is not there. Now, every time it is very difficult for me to come here, click on books and select the book and verify the transactions or verify the balances. It is what is the amount, what is the net amount, everything. If I want to see one by one books, we are verifying. Rather than this one, in D365 only, we have one more button, valuations. You can see at a time in all. Understood? Profiles also you can see. And books also you can see. So rather than this screen is developed in D365 only, this valuation. In 2012 we don't have. In 2012 you need to click on books and you need to select and click on balances. It will show you the balances, each balance. And profile you can see. In the same manner for tax layer. Balances will show you. Now let me post tax layer postings as well. Proposals, depreciation proposal. Now it is showing tax layer and click OK. It is showing the values and the tax layer, offset account also coming. You can post now.
Sir, one question, sir. Sir, why are we posting for 3 months, sir? May, June, and July?
Just nothing here for 3 months. Every month you need to post it. Just I have shown for 3 months. But every month you need to do it. That's it. There is no logic here. Just I have taken one, because I want to sell this item in the month of August. That is the reason I did it. That's it. Nothing here logic. Every month you need to post. That's it. Okay. So what I will do after some period, I want to sell this item. I can sell, am I right? I can sell this one. So in the month of August, I'm planning to sell this item. Suppose. Then I will sell this item tomorrow. I will explain you, and I will do it. tomorrow. So selling this product means this laptop means or anything is a best practice is accounts receivable pre-text invoice. Invoices pre-text invoice. From this one we can execute or we can sell this item. So currently what is the value of the fixed asset means just value of the net book value of the fixed asset. I'm just verifying. So as per Companies Act, the value of the fixed asset is 11,496.77. As per the tax layer, it is 11,741. Suppose I'm selling at the rate of 11,600. I'm selling at the rate of 11,600. I can click on new, select the customer, and select the fixed asset. You can select in the line details. You can select fixed asset. Okay. Now it is asking main account. I'm mapping suppose 4 series some account. Something at the rate of 11,600. Now if I'm posting, I'm going to get error message. Look at this one. Look at the error message. Disposal parameters. Post net book value does not exist. Means the posting profiles. In the posting profiles, we have mapped only acquisition and depreciation. Tomorrow we'll continue. I will stop here. Just give me 1 or 2 minutes only. So if you go to fixed assets, in the posting profiles, so we have mapped acquisition and depreciation, but not disposal. For disposal, we need to map the accounts. You need to map accounts, and in the disposal net book value also you need to map. That's what it is telling. What is this disposal net book value? Everything will continue tomorrow in detail. Okay, there is a big subject we need to discuss. So in the new company, you need to practice fixed asset module as well. Of course, when compared with some other like till now AR, AP, GL, cash and bank, little bit complex. I agree with you, little bit, but not complex. Too much complex. Practice makes man or woman perfect. Okay, you need to practice and you need to come back to me. You need to practice and you need to come back to me with whatever the problems, whatever the issues. Okay, fine. Just give me a minute.